Mythical Mushbunny, The Dark Hour.
Hi friends, today we are going to review this slime from Mythical Mushbunny. This is one of their Halloween slimes and it is called The Dark Hour. It's a thick and chewy coated clear and it's unscented and it's got a metallic pigment. So let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. Wow, I have been having some of the most beautiful slimes lately. Look how beautiful that is. Looks like the deep ocean. Gorgeous. This is themed after a game called Persona 3, I think. But I don't play it, so I don't know anything about it. So, yeah. Ooh, it's thick. Thick and chewy. Gorgeous. Oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Wow. Oh, and it's got little black glitters in it too. I forgot about that. They're hard to see, but I can sort of see them peeking out here and there. This is really nice and thick. Very chewy, just as promised. This is just absolutely beautiful and the texture is really great. They said it's unscented, but I want to smell. Doesn't smell like glue or anything. Truly unscented. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Tiniest bit tacky, but that's to be expected with clear slimes. Fantastic. I am going to give this a 98 out of 100. Really, really like it. The color is beautiful. The texture is beautiful. Great pops. Really, really nice slime. This shop has just been killing it with me lately. I'm really loving every slime I've had from them. And I have a couple more. Really nice slime. Love it. Bye, friends.